Today's featured product is Fiberlock's Shockwave RTU Hospital Grade Disinfectant. Let's dive in. Feature 1. Shockwave RTU is an EPA registered disinfectant. Feature 2. Shockwave RTU is just that, ready to use. There's no mixing or measuring required when using this product, making it virtually error-proof, with no need to worry about proper mixing ratios to ensure efficacy. Next, we move on to 3. Shockwave RTU is listed on EPA's End List for use against coronavirus, or COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic has created an unprecedented increase in the size, scope, and urgency of projects requiring professional disinfection, and we are pleased to have 6 ICP products listed on EPA's End List to help support the fight against coronavirus. Feature 4. This product is approved for use in a wide variety of industries, including, but of course not limited to, healthcare, hospitality, educational facilities, food and beverage industries, public transportation, manufacturing, retail, sports and recreational facilities, and more. For number 5, we present our favorites: mold, flood, and infection control. With Fiberlock Technology's more than 35 years of experience adding environmental, safety, and health hazards, Shockwave RTU has become a staple for disaster cleanup and daily infection control. For number 6, let's not forget about Shockwave being registered for black water remediation. Wondering where to use this product? Shockwave RTU can be used on touch points, high traffic surfaces, and most other non-porous surfaces. Well, how about how to use it? For number 8, we thought we'd share that this product is compatible with most spray equipment. When sprayed, it covers between 500 to 1,000 square feet of non-porous surfaces per gallon of Shockwave. Fiberlock Shockwave RTU is a no-rinse formula. This means that you do not need to wipe the surface after spraying. Lastly, but most importantly, this disinfectant, sanitizer, cleaner, deodorizer, viricide and bactericide and fungicide holds over 120 kills claims. That's your top 10 for Fiberlock Shockwave RTU.